10 survival gadgets so good, I had to see them twice. What if a single gadget could help you find your way in the wilderness, purify water, start a fire, or even call for help when you're miles away from civilization? Today, we're counting down the top 10 survival gadgets so good, I had to see them twice. These innovative tools combine cutting-edge technology with practical survival features that can make a huge difference during outdoor adventures, emergencies, and unexpected situations. Stay tuned until the end because the number one gadget is truly a game-changer. Number 10. Portable Emergency Solar Lantern. Starting our list is the Portable Emergency Solar Lantern. At first glance, it looks like a simple camping light, but it offers much more than basic illumination. These compact lanterns can be charged using sunlight during the day and provide bright LED lighting throughout the night. Many models are collapsible, lightweight, and waterproof, making them ideal for campers, hikers, and emergency preparedness kits. The real advantage comes during power outages or survival situations where electricity is unavailable. Unlike traditional flashlights that rely on disposable batteries, solar lanterns can keep working as long as there is sunlight. Some versions even include USB charging ports, allowing users to charge smartphones or GPS devices. Their durable construction ensures they can withstand harsh weather conditions, while multiple brightness settings help conserve power when needed. Whether you're setting up camp, navigating a trail after sunset, or dealing with an emergency at home, a solar lantern provides reliable lighting without requiring constant battery replacements. It's a simple yet highly effective survival tool that earns its place at number 10. Number 9. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Clean drinking water is one of the most important survival necessities, and the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter has become a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts worldwide. This lightweight device allows users to drink directly from streams, lakes, and other freshwater sources while filtering out harmful bacteria and parasites. The technology inside the filter removes contaminants without requiring chemicals, batteries, or pumping mechanisms. This simplicity makes it incredibly dependable in emergencies. Weighing only a few ounces, it can easily fit into a backpack, bug-out bag, or emergency kit. Imagine being stranded during a natural disaster or lost on a remote hiking trail. Having access to safe drinking water could mean the difference between survival and serious illness. The LifeStraw's ability to provide thousands of liters of filtered water makes it an essential companion for anyone who spends time outdoors. Its effectiveness, portability, and ease of use make it one of the smartest survival gadgets available today. Number 8. Electric Plasma Lighter. Traditional lighters can fail when exposed to wind, rain, or moisture. That's where the electric plasma lighter shines. Instead of using a flame, it creates a powerful electric arc capable of igniting tinder in challenging weather conditions. Most plasma lighters are rechargeable through USB ports, eliminating the need for fuel refills. Their windproof design makes them especially useful during storms, high-altitude camping trips, or emergency situations where starting a fire is crucial for warmth, cooking, and signaling. Many survival experts consider fire starting one of the most important wilderness skills. A plasma lighter simplifies that process significantly. Its rugged construction, long battery life, and dependable performance make it a valuable addition to any survival kit. Once you see how efficiently it works in harsh conditions, it's easy to understand why this gadget deserves a spot on our countdown. Number 7. Tactical Survival Shovel. A survival shovel is much more than a digging tool. Modern tactical survival shovels feature multiple functions packed into a compact design. Depending on the model, users may have access to an axe edge, saw blade, hammer, bottle opener, compass, and even a fire starter. In a survival scenario, versatility is essential. A tactical shovel can help build shelters, dig fire pits, clear obstacles, prepare defensive positions, and perform countless other tasks. The folding design allows it to fit easily inside backpacks while remaining strong enough to handle demanding work. Constructed from hardened steel or military-grade materials, these tools are designed to endure extreme conditions. Whether you're camping, overlanding, or preparing for emergencies, a tactical survival shovel offers remarkable functionality in a single piece of equipment. It's one of those gadgets that surprises people with how much it can actually do. Number 6. Hand Crank Emergency Radio. Information can be life-saving during emergencies, and a hand-crank emergency radio ensures you stay informed when conventional communication systems fail. These devices typically receive AM, FM, and weather broadcasts while offering several additional survival features. Many emergency radios include built-in flashlights, SOS alarms, power banks, and solar charging capabilities. The hand-crank generator allows users to create electricity manually, ensuring operation even when batteries are depleted. Natural disasters often cause widespread power outages and communication disruptions. Having access to weather alerts and emergency broadcasts can provide critical updates regarding evacuation routes, storm warnings, and rescue efforts. The ability to generate power independently makes this gadget especially valuable during prolonged emergencies. It's a reliable companion that delivers both information and functionality when they matter most. Number 5. GPS Survival Navigator. Getting lost can quickly become dangerous in unfamiliar environments. A GPS survival navigator helps prevent that problem by providing precise location tracking and navigation capabilities even in remote areas. Unlike smartphone navigation apps that depend heavily on cellular networks, dedicated GPS devices communicate directly with satellites. Many models include topographic maps, route tracking, waypoint marking, and emergency navigation features. Outdoor adventurers can use these devices to mark campsites, water sources, and safe routes. Some advanced units even offer weather forecasting and satellite communication options. Their rugged, waterproof construction ensures dependable operation in demanding environments. A GPS navigator dramatically improves situational awareness and reduces the risk of becoming disoriented. For hikers, hunters, backpackers, and survival enthusiasts, it represents one of the most practical technological advancements available today. Number 4. Portable Water Purification System. While personal filters are excellent, portable water purification systems take hydration safety to another level. These advanced devices can process larger quantities of water and remove a wider range of contaminants, including bacteria, parasites, and some viruses. Many systems use sophisticated filtration technologies combined with activated carbon elements to improve water quality and taste. Some models employ ultraviolet purification methods for additional protection. Access to safe water remains one of the most critical survival priorities. Whether facing natural disasters, extended camping trips, or emergency evacuations, a reliable purification system provides peace of mind. The ability to convert questionable water sources into safe drinking water can be invaluable in life-threatening situations. This combination of capacity, reliability, and effectiveness makes portable purification systems a must-have survival tool. Number 3. Satellite Communicator. At number 3, we have one of the most important modern survival technologies, the satellite communicator. These compact devices allow users to send messages, share locations, and trigger emergency rescue services from areas with no cellular coverage. Many outdoor accidents occur in remote locations where traditional communication is impossible. Satellite communicators bridge that gap by connecting directly to satellite networks. Users can send check-in messages, request assistance, and provide precise coordinates to rescue teams. Some devices also offer weather forecasts, navigation assistance, and interactive messaging. Their lightweight design makes them ideal for hikers, mountaineers, hunters, and backcountry travelers. Knowing that help can be reached from virtually anywhere provides a level of security that few other gadgets can match. This capability alone earns the satellite communicator a place near the top of our list. Number 2. Thermal Imaging Monocular. Thermal imaging technology once belonged exclusively to military and professional applications, but modern devices have become increasingly accessible. Thermal monoculars detect heat signatures, allowing users to see people, animals, and objects even in complete darkness. This capability provides significant advantages during search and rescue operations, nighttime navigation, and emergency situations. Users can identify heat sources, locate missing individuals, and detect potential hazards that would otherwise remain hidden. Many modern thermal devices are compact, rechargeable, and surprisingly durable. Their ability to reveal information invisible to the naked eye feels almost futuristic. Once you experience thermal vision firsthand, it's difficult not to be amazed by its practical survival applications. Number 1. Personal Locator Beacon, PLB. Taking the top spot is the Personal Locator Beacon, often considered one of the most important survival devices ever created. When activated during a life-threatening emergency, a PLB transmits a distress signal directly to international rescue networks, providing rescuers with your exact location. Unlike many communication devices, PLBs are specifically designed for emergency rescue situations. They feature powerful transmitters, long-lasting batteries, and exceptional reliability. Most operate independently of cellular networks and local infrastructure. For adventurers exploring remote wilderness areas, oceans, mountains, or isolated regions, a personal locator beacon can be a true lifesaver. Rescue teams can receive your emergency signal even when all other communication methods have failed. Its simplicity, reliability, and proven ability to save lives make the personal locator beacon the ultimate survival gadget, and the reason it claims the number 1 position on our countdown. Those were the top 10 survival gadgets so good, I had to see them twice. From advanced rescue technology and satellite communication devices to practical tools for water purification and fire starting, these gadgets can dramatically improve